Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the factorial number using recursion function in Java. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I use simple notepad to type our Java program. So first our definition. So write a program to find out factorial number. Yes, so factorial. Yes, that is our goal number using recursion. Yes, so here we can use as recursion technique. So yes, that is the goal. So I already take the factorial number. That given number is factorial means that find out the factorial number of given number as integer number. So yes, that is we have to not check. Yes, find out because that we can. You have to know factorial. So like 5 factorial, that is a symbol that in maths. So 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. So 120. So that is example. So you have to know very well. So decrement. Yes, that number is a we can minus and minus minus. So we have to find out what not check uh, or we can say that number is like Armstrong or not, but here we can check. Yes, that is a factorial number. Find out that using recursion technique. So yes, find out factorial number using yes recursion technique. So yes, you have to know what is a recursion. So num function call itself, that is a recursion. So I think you know. So now let us start. First, I import the java.util utility package, and we can use that is a scanner class. So we can scan integer value from user, and now our class, and that we can give the like fact recursion. So yes, here we can use as a recursion technique. So yes, here that I correct the spelling. Yes, recursion recursion. So now that our class name, yes, that is f for fact and recursion. So yes, that is we have to use. So f recursion. So we can use as a recursion technique. And first we can define, yes, not main, but static integer, and we can say that fact enum, that is our member or method in Java, like UDF in C and C++. So in Java, that is a method, and that we can take one that is a number, and yes, that we have to pass in the main method. So yes, that is our method integer, that with argument with return data type, that is our method in Java and static. So yes, if condition, so yes, and equal 0, so that we can return as 1. So yes, return is a keyword you have to know very well. So yes, now an else part. So function that call itself, that is called recursion. So we can return directly, and then we can call. Yes, that is a directly parenthesis. So and multiplication, and that we can f. Yes, here our function name f recursion. Yes, here that also I correct rec. Yes, so that is perfectly. And now we can call function itself. So that is we can say that f recursion recursion, and we can again that pass the n minus 1. So yes, that minus 1 and then parenthesis. So yes, here you can look that function we can call itself. So that is a recursion technique. And multiplication. So yes, recursion technique that uses a stack algorithm. So yes, n multiply factorial n minus 1. Again, that call this that is a fact number. Yes, that is our class name. Yes, we can write the function name. Yes, I. So is our function fact num. Just I. Yes, fact num. That is our f recursion. That is our class name. That is our method name. So we can call itself. So that is a we can n minus, so we can pass like 5. So if condition is false, so that is a uh, 5 minus 1, so 4 again call, and then if condition, so then 3 again call, then go else. So 3 minus, so 2 again go, and here 1, so 1 again, and that is again minus 1, so 0. So and if condition, so return true. And first all are maintaining the push, so stack algorithm, and then pop. So all multiplication like 5 minus 4 means 4 multiply 4, that type of minus minus, and ultimately 120, that is push up, push and pop, and then return in our main function. So that is, I think you have to know, that is a recursion technique, and that uses a stack algorithm. So maintain there all the calling of or method itself. So like we can say that function call itself in C and C++, but that is a Java. So we can say that method call itself, yes, that is a recursion. And now that we can take, yes, public here, here cursor is, yes, now that perfectly. So public, uh, yes, that perfectly. So public static void main, that is now our main method, and then args, yes, perfectly, and opening closing brace. And now we can take one, that is a, yes, so we can also take as n variable, and then fact that assigned to 1, because that is a yes, a multiplication. Or if you not assign 1, because that take directly number. But yes, let us check, not assign any value. And first we can create the scanner class object sc, and allocate the memory new operator. So scanner, and pass the system dot in input operator. In means that is a string, yes, that not operator. Input string means collection of bytes. So system dot out, that is the output string, and that method is a print. So we can print the message, enter one integer number, that type of message. Okay, and then we can like assign to n ac dot next int, so integer variable scan. And then we can just pass, but fact is a handler, yes, factorial number, and we can call, yes, that fact num number. So yes, and we can pass the n value, and then yes, so we can print simple. So here is the main logic in our method. Here just we have to call that method and print the factorial. So the factorial number is, and then print the fact. Yes, so perfectly. So yes, that is a how to that we can take as a method. That is a, we can say that user defined method. So like main, so that main is compile and scan the n, and pass then scan and pass the fact num, that our method. And then I already explained, that is a method call itself, and n minus 1, so 5 minus 1, 4 again call, then 3 again call, 2 again call, then 0, so that 1, and that taking the fact and print. So all are push and then pop, and multiplication operation is done, because we have to assign here is a multiplication. So yes, now I can save that file. So that is a rules of Java. Class name is a file name. So we can say that f recursion, yes, perfect, that and dot Java extension. So f recursion dot Java. Yes, you can give any name like fact number, but fact number is our method. We can give the name, yes, fact number. So I give the f recursion dot Java. So I can save, yes, perfectly. Now what to do? We can compile and run. So go in the DOS mode, command prompt. So you can look here, that is open the application application and cd/f colon, so change the drive, and Java Pro, that is our folder. And first we can set the path of Java, so that is a batch file name, Java path. Yes, you can look that set path and set class path. Now what to do? Java C, that is a compiler of JDK tools, and we can compile like f recursion. So yes, that is a we can give like f recursion. So yes, recursion dot Java, that is our file name. So yes, that yes, some that spelling system that remaining. So yes, I can change here. Yes, that is a remaining M. So yes, anywhere, no, yes, I can save and let us compile. So I compile again. No error. Yes, that I just typing simple mistake. So now that perfectly, and we can run. So let us check. uh, that is Java, that is application launcher. So now we can 5. So you can look, the factorial number is 520. Again I run and let like 4, so 24. Again I run and give like 3, so 6. Again, yes, now that perfectly. So 6, that is 720. So that is a result of all we have to take. And now what to do? So again I run, yes, and give the like we can give like 2 only. So that is a 2. That's 2, 2s are 2. We can like give any. So 3, 4, 5. Yes, now 7. So that is some big number. Let us check. So yes, 5040. So yes, I think we have to understand. So yes, here very simple logic, and we can understand the method how to design in the Java, that also I cover. So yes, that is a static, because that main is a static. So you can also define your method is also static. So yes, f recursion, that is our class name, and factorial using the recursion technique. I complete. Any question regarding this definition, you can write the comment section. How the stack algorithm, yes, that is very important. So method call itself, like in C and C++, we can say that function call itself. So that is a recursion. So here that word use a method in Java. So yes, here that is first stack first, that is you have to know, push means insert, and then pop means delete, and all are that bind up in the fact variable, because handler is a integer, and then we can print. So that very simple logic in the that recursion we have to develop. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakuni, press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.